How to choose the right CNC router for your business. Choosing the right CNC router can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're a hobbyist or running a full-scale manufacturing operation, I'm about to lay out 6 steps that will help you to make the right choice. Step 1. Define your needs and do so clearly. What materials are you going to be cutting? Wood? Plastic? Will you cut aluminum? The type of material you're going to cut will greatly influence the power and the features you need in the machine that you buy. Also consider the size of the machine. CNC routers come in a wide range of sizes, from desktop models for small projects to heavy-duty industrial-sized machines. So think about the workspace that the machine is going to be in and the maximum size of the material that you want to work with, both in width and length, but also in depth as well. Is there enough clearance under the gantry? Is there enough travel that the length of tool that you're going to be using can reach that entire block of material? So there's a lot of things to think about in terms of the work envelope. Step 3, check the specifications. So pay attention to the machine's spindle power, cutting speed, and precision. So higher power is essential for high-speed cuts in tougher materials, and of course precision is going to matter for intricate designs and everything, really. It's kind of vital. But not to mention the edge finish. The edge quality is a combination of various factors, not the least of which has to do with the mass and the rigidity of the machine. Step 4 is software compatibility. You want to make sure that the CNC machine you buy works with your preferred design software. Most machines support the majority of today's popular CAD/CAM software, but it's always good to make sure. And if you don't already have CAD/CAM software, you might consider arranging a package deal with software and training so that you can get off to the races all in one go and not have to be grabbing fragmented information from different sources and, wind up zigzagging your way to the result you're after. What you want is to get from point A to point B with the least amount of frustration, the least amount of effort, the least amount of hassle. Step 5, you want to set your budget. So prices on a CNC router can range from a few thousand to tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. So factor in not just the machine, but also the tools, the software you're going to need, the maintenance costs, training costs. That's another important thing. Sometimes people, usually at the behest of a salesperson, people spend too much on the machine and they don't put anything in there to train themselves or their people. And so what winds up happening? You got people that don't know how to use the machine, but they sure as heck know how to tear it up. And so then your maintenance costs go way up, things get torn up, your people aren't productive, and it's just bad all the way around. So leave enough room for some training so that you can actually equip yourself and your people, your company, to be effective, not only now, but also have some future proofing built into your plan. Step 6, support and warranty. So you want to look for a reputable brand that offers solid customer support and a good warranty. CNC routers can be quite an investment, as we've already mentioned. Whether it's a good or a bad investment is often going to depend on the level of support you get from your CNC provider. So that reliable support is absolutely key. So from what we've seen, choosing the right CNC router can be a powerful tool in your business's production arsenal. Define your needs, check the specs, and make an informed decision. Now, if you're an established business who needs to get the right guidance so you can make a decision quickly, you might consider booking a free strategy session with a member of our team so that we can help you get your new production goals met as quickly as possible and as effectively as possible. So just click the link around this video if you'd like to schedule your call.